Hello my friends, welcome to Bunny Tales. Today we're going to learn how to make this teaching learning resource. This resource is used to teach children how to multiply using manipulatives. This will teach students to use arrays to figure out how to multiply two single-digit numbers. We start by covering a small box with white paper. Then at the top of the box, I'm going to draw a cloud. Under the cloud, I'm going to draw a grid of raindrops. I'm going to highlight the cloud with blue, and then I'm going to write a multiplication sign and an equal sign on the cloud. After that, I'm going to cover them with clear tape. That way we can write the questions directly on the cloud, and we can change them by using a dry erase marker and an eraser. After that, I'm going to use this tool to put little holes inside each of the raindrops. After making a hole in each raindrop, I'm going to take some Q-tips. I'm going to cut them in half, and then I'm going to use some blue paint to paint the edges of the Q-tips. You can do that by sticking them in a tube of paint or painting them with a paintbrush or a marker. Here I'm just sticking them inside the paint tube. When I'm done, I'm ready to get started. Now we're going to write some numbers. The first one is 2 times 3. I'm going to use the first two raindrops. I will place 2 colored Q-tips in them, and then I'm going to go down by 3. Then you can count them, 2 times 3, and that makes 6. So that way the child can have a visual of how to use arrays to multiply. You can do that over and over with different numbers, each time using the grid. I hope your little one enjoys using this learning resource to multiply. Please subscribe to the channel and don't forget to hit the like button so I can make more fun videos. Thank you!